Welcome back. Thank you for joining me yet again. Today we are at Meritage Homes taking a look at the Lark floor plan. This one is a 4 bedroom home with goodies galore. So we're just going to get right to it. This is the very first bedroom. So this is bedroom number 1 at the front of the house. What I love about this bedroom, not necessarily the size, but you can still function in it, is how the closet becomes sort of a walk-in closet, which is pretty cool, which is going to open up, teenagers tend to like space. And then they have their own bathroom. So that's what I like about this particular room here at the front of the house. So again, it's just your standard bathroom, sink, toilet, and shower, actually. It does not have a tub, but it does have a shower, which is pretty cool. But the bedroom itself is, it's a bit small, very, very small, but it's functional. Meaning you can probably do a twin size over there or maybe a day bed, something like that. So this is definitely going to be either older child room or possibly like guest room office type situation going on in this bedroom here. And I'm at the corner of the room again, trying to give you a perspective of how big or small this bedroom is depending on your preference. So that's the first bedroom. So we go across the hall, and as you can see, the floor is still tiled there. So you would expect that to be a bedroom, but it's like a den area or a flex space, homeschool space, office space, whatever you want to make it. So that's pretty cool. And what's even better is it splits up 2 more bedrooms. So here's bedroom number 2. It's a little bit bigger than the bedroom we just left, and that's mainly because it's not as narrow, but it's still, about the same size. You do have the double doored closet in this one. I'm at the corner of the room now, giving you some idea of how far we are. If I had to put a bed in here, I probably would not put bigger than a full-size bed. Again, that's me, but just kind of give you an idea of what the size of the room actually is. So again, here's that flex space there. Down this hall, this whole section actually has its own bathroom with double sinks. Again, you got your toilet, you have a linen closet here, and an actual full tub. This home is actually being, this is not a model home. This is a home that's being sold. So it's not in its, pristine condition right now. It's still being built. Here's bedroom number 3. Of the 3 bedrooms we just saw, I would have to say this is the biggest one. It's got the double door closet. I'm in the corner of the room now. This is another one. You can possibly get a queen size bed in here and still have room to roam. Full size would probably be ideal. Just again, to give you an idea of what the space actually holds. And this is bedroom number 3. So we're going to take a walk out back into the living room. Again, the wide entryway, I love that because it gives you space to get things in and out of your home. Here is your laundry room off to the left once you're coming from the front door. It does have a sink in here, which is pretty cool. It's got some cabinet space to hide your laundry, soap, and such. And if you wanted to put maybe a narrow ironing board or folding table against that wall, there's a little room to do that as well. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to swing this thing around. There is a hallway closet here. And it's just a place to store coats and games and what do you call those things? Vacuum cleaners, brooms, whatever you want to put in there. And then it opens up into your living space. So here's the living space here. I'm just going to pan around. There's the living room area. There's going to be your dining area in the back. And here is going to be your kitchen area. Again, the counters have not been installed yet. They're actually against that wall there. But just want to give you an idea of what this floor plan actually looks like in person. So there's going to be plenty of cabinet space. There's a walk-in pantry over in the corner. And stainless steel appliances is what's being put in the homes right now. All right. So we're going to swing this around, head over to the primary bedroom. It does have its own section over here in the back of the home, obviously. This room is big enough to do whatever it is you want to do with it. King size bed, no problem. Double nightstands, no problem. You want to put an armoire over in this corner? No problem. You got room to do it. So don't worry about having enough space in the primary bedroom. You've got it. In the primary bathroom, again, it's wide open. It's not claustrophobic, which is something I hate. You're going to have the oversized shower there. Eventually, that's going to be a soaking tub. It's not there now. You've got that big window that's going to open up and give you some natural lighting. And you do have double sinks for both parties. So in here is going to be your toilet room. No need in opening that. They all look the same. And then over here is going to be the closet. And this closet is not too bad, actually. I like that it gives you this little shelf area, which I like. And then you've got plenty of places to hang stuff. Short spaces for the short people like myself, and tall spaces for the tall people, unlike myself. So again, this is the Lark floor plan. So if you're looking for a home in Santan Valley and want to know more information about this one, give me a call, 623-207-7146. And I'll be more than glad to help you. Thanks again for joining me. Have a wonderful rest of your day.